Hello and welcome to Flawless. Today I'll be teaching you how to render your project inside Cinema 4D. So the first thing that we're going to want to have is pretty much a project with lighting and all of the basic things that we need. And now that we've had this project, now we have to find a way to pretty much render it. And the way that we'll normally do that is we'll go to render settings, and by the way, you should always have ambient occlusion and global illumination set on. It really enhances the quality of your kind of rendering. So let's just put that aside. So what we're going to do is we're going to want to go to our save tab. We're going to want to go to file. We're going to want to go to our desktop and render it to cinema, and we're going to want to save this as project. Now that we have that, we're going to want to have to change the format. And the reason why I say we change the format is because PNG and JPG are pretty much programs or kind of formats that most programs out there could read. And TIFF and BMP and a bunch of other kind of formats, some actual kind of editors cannot read them. So we would always use these. So now that we have that done, if we render it right now, what you're gonna see is we're gonna have kind of a dark background in the back. Now if we render it and we actually render it as it is right now, when we put it in an editor, the background actually will be dark. It actually will have this color, and this will just be saved as a picture. So the thing that we're going to want to do is we're going to kind of want to make the back transparent, so when we add it to an editor, you don't see that black. Instead you see pretty much nothing. You see pretty much transparent around the objects. So the way that we do that is just select alpha channel. Now that we have that done, our kind of way of rendering inside Cinema 4D would just be by clicking this button, and now you have pretty much a preview of your renderings. But in order to save this kind of project, we're going to want to go to this middle tab, and we're going to want to go to render to picture viewer. Now that we have that, you see that we pretty much have rendered our image. This is a preview of our image, and if we go to our desktop and go to cinema, now you're going to see that we have our image and a transparent black background on it. So I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial here at Flawless. Make sure to rate, subscribe, and pretty much help out with the channel. I'll be releasing a bunch of tutorials within the next couple of weeks, so make sure to stay tuned. And as always, just try to leave a comment if you have any questions, and thanks for watching.